Hi, this is A.J.B from A.J.B Counseling and Psychotherapy, a private practice located in Manhattan. In this video, we're going to talk about yet another trick to try to help us get over this chest tightness that's making it so annoying to breathe. It's so annoying to not be able to take those full breaths. This exercise, we're going to focus on doing a full exhalation. So here, all we're going to be doing is somewhat forcefully exhaling all the air out of our lungs and holding it for a little bit. The reason why we'll be doing that and why this trick can work is because it relies on the same technique as progressive muscle relaxation. A quick recap on what progressive muscle relaxation is. It's a way of relaxing our bodies by focusing on each muscle group, tensing it, and then releasing it. What happens when we tense it and release it is we experience a more pronounced relaxation response. So that's what we're going to be using with our breath. So by exhaling all of the air out of our lungs, we're forcing all those muscles to contract. And by holding it for a little bit, we're letting that contraction to stay there, to let's call it, become a little more activated. And then we're going to go straight into a inhalation, which is a more relaxed response. And we're going to repeat this a couple of times. So what that might look like is something like this. Now I'm going to take a deep breath and I'm going to exhale. I'm taking a deep breath, but right now, you imagine me still holding my breath. The reason why I took a breath is because I want to talk to you. As I'm holding this, right? So I'm going to hold that exhalation for a couple seconds actively. Now that you can stay with in an exhaled state actively or inactively. So an active way of staying exhaled is by maintaining the muscle contraction that you use to exhale all that air. So, and I'm staying flexed still. An inactive way is to kind of like clog up your throat up here. Some people can do that. So you exhale, and I just clogged it up here, and you might have noticed that there was a change in my stomach. That was all these muscles just relaxed. That's not what we want to do. We want to be active. So this is what you don't want to do. That was the relaxation. That was me just holding my throat here and letting all those muscles relax. What you want to do is stay active here. So I'm holding that exhalation. I'm holding all those muscles. And then I'm going to inhale. So the full cycle will look like this. And I'm going to go right back in. And I'll repeat this a couple of times, I don't know, maybe 10 times. Try it, experiment, see how many times it takes for you to notice a difference. Wow, I just got a little lightheaded. I hope you found this video useful. I hope you found this interesting. Stick around, there is one more video that I'm planning to make. And I'm not going to give you a preview of this one because I really want you to check it out. It is something that you will probably not like. I feel like most people will not like the idea. But please check it out. Please hear me out. It is probably one of the best ways to get rid of tightness, chest tightness, or pretty much any tightness that we're dealing with, anything anxiety related. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video.